of water.
Late reaction, ma'am.
Wala, di dyan sa side. Doon mababa ito eh.
We're here in Tansa, and then there's a flood here.
Hmm.
Only rain last night.
Ito kasi mulawin talaga ma'am yung ano. Sobrang baha.
We're going to Manila.
Yeah.
It's not Manila. It's not Manila. We're in Tansa, but
We're in
my God.
Tanza. Yeah. Flood.
The first time Mike saw this.
Yeah.
Gusto niyo mo kita, ma'am?
Yun lang nakita.
Ano na lang, enjoy na lang siya. Malawin na lang siya. Hindi dito lang naman yan eh, sa mulawin. Dito okay na ito, mataas na.
See the trash.
Uh-huh.
Hello, grabe yung basura.
See, oh. The trash, the garbage is
Yeah, it's all
there.
floated.
Yawa naman yung maglilinis dito.
Ah, we see.
Mm-hmm.
Exclusive pa naman ito. Kasi
We're getting out of it.
It's a little bit here.
A little bit, but not.
May nagbibigay kayo lagi. Nakita niyo yung
yung trabaho namin.
All right.
Sa mall nga lang kami.
Cool.
Nagbibigay yung flyers. Pero sila mas matindi dyan sila eh, no? Maple yan eh.